Welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Dipti Pandey. I am going to deliver a speech on forms of poetry. Generally, a question arises, what is literature? Literature is the mirror of society. It is very vast. Whatever we see in the society, we hear in the society, that is written on the pages is called a literature. There are many literature as well as English literature, Hindi literature, Sanskrit literature, British literature, American literature, Canadian literature, so on. There are many forms of literature as well as poetry, prose, novel, drama and story. First of all, I would like to teach you forms of poetry. There are 7 forms of poetry: sonnet, lyric, epic, elegy, ballad, ode, and dramatic monologue. First of all, I would like to teach you sonnet. What is a sonnet and from where it comes? Introduction, origin, and definition. Italy and France are considered to be the two possible places of its origin. However, it was first found in the 13th century in Italy, where Dante and Petrarch were its two great practitioners. These poets used the form to express their passionate love for their beloved. Generally, a question may arise that from where sonnet comes. It is considered that there are two countries, Italy and France, which are known for the origin of sonnet. It was Italy and France. That was the Italy and France are considered for the birthplace of sonnet, and it was first found in the 13th century in Italy, and in the 16th century it came into England. And in Italy, where Dante and Petrarch, these two practitioners and poets, were known for the origin of sonnet. These were known for the two great sonnetiers. And these poets used this form to express their passionate and personal feeling for their beloved. But it is Petrarch who is recognized as the master of this literary form. Now, what is meant by sonnet? The term sonnet comes from the Italian word sonetto. Look here, friends. The sonnet, it comes from the Italian word, not British word, not English word. It comes from the Italian word sonetto, which means a little sound or a little song. The sonnet has been defined as a lyric poem consisting of a single stanza of 14 iambic pentameter lines linked by an intricate rhyme scheme. It means that a sonnet has many characteristics. A sonnet is a poem of 14 lines. It is a short poem. It has iambic pentameter and it expresses a single thought or feeling. These are the characteristics of a sonnet. Now I start with the pattern of sonnet. There are two major patterns of sonnet: the Italian or Petrarchan sonnet and the second is the English sonnet. First of all, I would like to express the Italian sonnet. The Italian sonnet is also known as the Petrarchan sonnet. The Italian sonnet or Petrarchan sonnet, it was the Italian poet Petrarch who got the credit of establishing the sonnet as a literary form. Hence, the Italian sonnet is often called the Petrarchan sonnet. Look friends, the Italian poet Petrarch, he was the first person who got the credit of establishing the sonnet as a literary form. And after that, the Italian sonnet